Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a power failure with APC, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing the situation to determine the extent. Identify if the power outage is local to your area or specific to your equipment. If you have an APC UPS, check that it is properly connected and operational. Locate the power button on your APC unit and ensure it is in the on position. Unplug any devices connected to the UPS to prevent electrical overload. Wait for a moment to ensure the UPS is in a safe state. Next, inspect the power cord and outlet to ensure they are functioning properly. Plug the UPS back into the wall outlet to allow it to recharge and regenerate power. Monitor the LED indicators on the UPS for any warning signals. If the UPS remains unresponsive, consider performing a cold reboot by powering it off and then on again. Once the system is stable, reconnect your devices one at a time. This will help determine if a specific device is causing an overload. Make sure each device is functioning correctly after being reconnected. It's important to configure your PowerShoot software if you're using it. Check the settings and ensure your UPS is correctly set up for optimal protection. Test your setup by simulating a power failure to ensure your devices are supported. Finally, keep an eye on your UPS performance to prevent future issues. Regular maintenance and checks can greatly enhance reliability and longevity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.